The 2002 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual airbags, air conditioning, front, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, power windows, CD player, rear window defroster, security system, fog lights, remote keyless entry, tachometer, overhead console, panic alarm, power driver seat, front reading lamps, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, passenger vanity mirror. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.